Hey everybody, in this video I will show you how to clean your double hung windows. This double hung window system is easy to clean on the inside, but the outside we used to have trouble because we used to put a ladder up to clean the outside. But today I will show you an easy fix. You can clean the inside as usual. I will not show that part. I'll only show how to clean the outside. First you have to unlock the window. And then you see there are two clips here, one on both sides. First, I will lift the window up a little bit so that it's not stuck. And then I will push both sides at once, and then I will pull it out. And that's how you clean the outside of the bottom one. A really important note is that this is a two-person job, not a one-person job. So one person can hold it while the other person can clean the outside. Let's close the bottom. And then I just push it down and close it. The top part is has the same mechanism as the bottom part, but it's a little tricky because you have to remove your blinds or curtains. To do that, you should get a small flathead screwdriver. Or you can push it with your hands. There you go. Do the same thing for the other part. You push it out, and then you pull the lines out. The top part is the same mechanism as I said. You have to push it down a little bit. And you see the clips here on both sides. Again, I will push them in and then I will pull it out. You might have to bring it up a bit more to pry it out. Make sure not to break your windows. There we go. As you can see, the top part isn't coming out because it's getting stuck on the bottom. To fix this, you will first push the top part in again. You will do the same steps to open the bottom. And then you open the top. Like so. There you go. And then you clean it as you wish, and then you can close it. First, we close the top part, and then we push it all the way up. And then we push in the bottom, we bring it down, we push the top part all the way in, and we lock it. Thank you for listening. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.